Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Herbert Diess, Chairman of the Board of Management, Volkswagen Group.
Good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, the premiere of a new Golf is a very special event for us. And amongst many other very valuable guests, it is a special honor for me to welcome Giorgio Giugiaro. You've seen him already at the video, and you're probably all aware and you all know he's one of the fathers, the father or one of the fathers of the first Golf. I would say one of the most iconic designs in the industry, and we're still taking some of the DNA in every other generation. So a warm welcome to Giorgio Giugiaro and his wife. Giorgio. Thank you for coming. Ladies and gentlemen, over the course of 7 generations, the Golf has impressed more than 35 million customers. The entire automobile industry expects a new Golf to set the new standard. And some 45 years ago, when our engineers here developed the first Golf, the industry was undergoing fundamental change, like today. The 50s and 60s, we're probably not remembering those days, but we're remembering those cars. The 50s and 60s were characterized by the euphoria of progress and societies striving for prosperity. The symbol for both was the car. Anybody who could was happy to show what they had. Capacity, chrome, tail fins, length, size. However, in the early 70s, a new objectivity became reality. The Club of Rome published a study, The Limits to Growth, in 1972. And on top of this, there was the first oil crisis, with car-free Sundays and exploding fuel prices. Not many of you, but some of you might remember, I still remember the German Autobahns free. Nobody driving around. Some skaters. Long time ago. For the first time then, resource efficiency stood at the top of the wish list for many car buyers. It was time for a radical, functional, and economic car. At the same time, customers still would expect more driving comfort, more space, more performance. The Golf, the first one, you've seen it, was our answer. With a very balanced overall concept, the Golf marked the beginning of a new era. A new vehicle class has been established, the Golf class. 45 years have now passed since the launch of the first Golf. The Club of Rome has become Fridays for Future. The oil crisis has become the climate crisis. The old economy has become a digital economy. The calls for climate-friendly technologies are becoming even louder. Apps and digital applications are changing our daily lives, and we are always online. The customers of today continue to expect a new vehicle to answer the questions of the future with innovation and without compromise. And today, as ever, the new Golf is our answer. With the new Golf, we are providing a broad spectrum of electrified drives. The new Golf makes it possible to access a whole variety of climate-friendly drive technologies. And every customer can decide for themselves just how big the first step should be. Highly efficient new petrol, new diesel, or natural gas engines. Mild hybrids and plug hybrids give the customer the choice. This is an important intermediary step on the way reducing our share on carbon emissions of 1% to 0 by 2050. And with its intelligent assist systems, the Golf even is pushing forward the field of semi-automated driving. It can communicate online with its environment and with other vehicles. It has the operating convenience of a tablet on wheels. Ladies and gentlemen, almost 1/10 of all vehicles sold by Volkswagen Group, which offers more than 300 models, has the same label, Volkswagen Golf. The Golf is a world car. We sell it on 5 continents. It is the car used by all age groups, from young people taking their driving tests to the young at heart. It is a timeless classic for everyone. It is glassless, both in front of both the Opera House and the Clubhouse. Ladies and gentlemen, the new Golf is ready to hit the road now. The first customer vehicles will be delivered to the German and Austrian dealerships at the beginning of December. In the first quarter of 2020, we will deliver the new Golf to customers in main European markets, in the United Kingdom, in France, in Italy, and in Spain. The important overseas markets in China, US, Australia, and Japan will follow soon. Ladies and gentlemen, the Golf is once again the right vehicle at the right time. And that is what makes it a true Golf. Thank you very much.